parents must realize how important the mutual relationship of parents is to the children, how important it is in the development of the personality of the children. The better the relationship parents have between themselves, the more positive effects it has on the child and children. So what you need to understand is that if we are going to have a positive and a healthy relationship amongst ourselves as spouses, we are going to leave amazingly excellent, superb effects on the children, or God forbid, it can also be the other way around. So keep that in mind. That is the basis for their personality. Not just how they behave today, but how or what kind of parents and spouses they will become one day. So may Allah make our relationships better with each other. May Allah make it stronger and positive, and may the positive effect be passed on to our children. The Quran teaches us, رَبَّنَا هَبْ لَنَا مِنْ أَزْوَاجِنَا وَذُرِّيَّاتِنَا قُرَّةَ أَعْيُنٍ وَاجْعَلْنَا لِلْمُتَّقِينَ إِمَامًا.